Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with keeping your financial records up to date in QuickBooks Online, today's tutorial is going to make your life much easier. I'll show you step by step how to import your bank or credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online, whether you want them downloaded automatically or uploaded manually. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline your bookkeeping and avoid messy spreadsheets. Let's start with the first method, automatic downloads by connecting your bank. Inside QuickBooks Online, go to the Banking tab and click on Bank Transactions. If it's a new account, you'll see the option to Connect Account. Search for your bank, log in using your online banking credentials, and then choose which accounts you want to link. Once connected, QuickBooks automatically pulls in your recent transactions. All you have to do is review them, categorize them properly, and then reconcile them against your bank statements. This option is quick, seamless, and keeps your records updated without much effort. Now, if you prefer not to connect your bank, or if your bank doesn't support direct connections, you can use the manual import method. Here's how it works. Step 1. Download your transactions from your bank's online portal. Make sure you save them in a compatible format like CSV, QBO, QIF, or OFX. If you're using CSV, double-check that it includes at least 3 columns: date, description, and amount. Also, make sure it's saved as a CSV file and not an Excel file. Step 2, go back into QuickBooks, head over to the Banking tab, and this time click Upload Transactions. Select the file you just downloaded, choose which QuickBooks account it belongs to, and then follow the on-screen instructions. QuickBooks will ask you to map the columns in your file to the correct fields, like matching the date column from your CSV to the transaction date in QuickBooks. Step 3, once your file is mapped, QuickBooks will show you a preview. Take a few moments here to carefully review everything before importing. This helps you avoid duplicates or errors. Finally, after importing, you'll need to categorize each transaction, just like you would with automatic downloads. Then reconcile them with your bank statements to make sure everything matches perfectly. A couple of quick tips for a smoother experience: always double-check your columns before importing. Even one mismatch can throw off your books. Review all imported transactions before hitting Add. This prevents errors and duplicate entries. If your bank doesn't provide a compatible format, you can use a converter tool to change it into CSV or QBO, and that's it. You now know how to import transactions into QuickBooks Online, whether automatically through a bank connection or manually with a file upload. Both methods are simple once you've done them once or twice, and they'll save you hours of manual data entry. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and small business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.